Hi, this is Mahi coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, December 17, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 31 degrees. We are expecting a high of 36 and a low of 22, with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to
the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In sports, last night the Bulls won against the Memphis Grizzlies with a score of 98-85. And the Blackhawks will play the Edmonton Oilers tonight at 7:30. Clubs meeting today are Battle of the Books, grades 5 and 6 in room 208 at 11:45. An art club in the art studio at 3 o'clock. Today is Pizza Thursday. Come down to the front hallway at lunch and buy a slice of pizza for only $2. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Good morning, Hoover staff and students. By the way, thank you, Mahi. It's Thursday. We have 2 days left before winter break. A couple of announcements. Remember, tomorrow we have a lot going on. It's going to be Friday, but it's also the afternoon. We'll have winter parties. The parties will start at 1:30 and they'll end at 2:45. I know we also have PBIS celebration going on tomorrow as well, so there's a lot going on. And remember, we want to continue to be respectful, be responsible, be safe all the way up through break, over the break, and through the rest of the school year. But let's focus on getting through the next 2 days. You guys have been doing a great job. We're done with MAP testing now. The results are wonderful. I appreciate everyone trying their hardest. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is a Chicago reindeer? In 1989, a Chicago department store... 39. In 1939, a Chicago department store manager asked Robert May, who worked as a writer in the store, if he could write a Christmas story to give to the kids when they visited Santa. He wrote a story about an unpopular reindeer. Then Denver Gillen, from the store's art department, visited Chicago's Lincoln Park Zoo, where he observed the reindeer and sketched the original Rudolph. In 1949, songwriter Johnny Marks set Rudolph's story to music. Singing cowboy Gene Autry recorded the song that you heard before announcements. So, now you know how it came that Santa's sleigh is led by a Chicago reindeer. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the second graders in room 119. Have a totally Rudolph Thursday.
All of the other reindeer